Hello everyone, this is Shanshi Sirsar from Pravin Patel College Polytechnic, Bhayandar. Today we learn about the new concept in computer network. So let's start with the chapter number 1, part 3, Fundamentals of Computer Network. Learning outcomes. The learner will be able to understand what is the concept of network operating system, its type, and what are the features of NOS. Network operating system. Every network today has some form of software to manage its resources. This software runs on special high powered computer operating system and is called network operating system. It is one of the most important component of network. NOS is the software that runs on the server and it enables the server to manage the data, users, groups, security, applications and other networking functions. The most popular network OS are Microsoft Windows Server 2003-2008, Unix, Linux, Mac OS and Novel NetWare. Network operating systems are based on client-server architecture in which a server enables the multiple clients to share the resources. The next topic is the basic functions of NOS are to maintain the connectivity between the network devices and coordinate their activities. The second one is provide the sharing of data and network resources such as printers and scanners. Third one, ensures the data and device security on the network through the centralized administration, because NOS is mostly useful in client server architecture and client server architecture is completely centralized managed, because server is a central device which completely handle all the activities in client server network with the help of network operating system. The next topic is features of network operating system. It provides the basic operating system features such as support for processors, protocols, then automatic hardware detection and support multiprocessing of application. Second, it provides the security features such as authentication, logon restrictions and access control. Third, it provides the name and directory services. Fourth, it provides file, print, web service and backup services. Fifth, it supports the networking such as routing and WAN supports. The next topic is types of network operating system. There are two types of network operating systems. One is peer-to-peer and another one is client-server. In peer-to-peer, NOS allows the user to share the resources and files located in their computers and to access shared resources found on another computer. In peer-to-peer network, all the computers are considered equal, means having the same priority to use the resources available on the network. In peer-to-peer network are designed primarily for small medium LAN network. Windows for Workgroups is an example of the program that can function as peer-to-peer network operating system. Another one type of network operating system is client-server operating system that allows the network to centralize the function and application in one or more dedicated file server. The file server becomes the heart of the system, providing access to the resources and providing security. The workstations have access to the resources available on the file server. The network operating system allows the multiple users to simultaneously share the same resources irrespective of their physical location. Okay, these are the types of network operating system. Guys, this is the last topic in your first chapter, that is fundamentals of computer network. So if you have any doubt, I will solve your every doubt in live session. In next session, I start the second chapter in computer network. Thank you.